Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile site on Wix. This is a crucial skill because more and more people browse websites on their phones, so having a properly optimized mobile version ensures your site looks great and functions smoothly on smaller screens. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website where you can manage various aspects of your site. Now you're viewing the website settings page. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to edit a mobile version for. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Confirming this now saves you time and ensures you're working on the right project. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this button on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full editing suite where you can customize both desktop and mobile versions of your site. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. The first thing we need to do is access the mobile viewer so we can see and edit how your site appears on mobile devices. To do this, locate the Switch to Mobile button on the top left part of your screen. This toggle is essential because it shifts your entire workspace into mobile editing mode. Once you've clicked Switch to Mobile, you'll notice that your preview changes to show a mobile phone layout. The left navigation menu will also adjust to provide you with mobile version customization options. This is where you can truly tailor your site's mobile experience. You can start editing by using the Add to Mobile button. This feature allows you to incorporate various elements specifically designed for mobile viewing. These elements are optimized to work well on smaller screens and touch interfaces. Beyond adding elements, you can also edit using the Mobile Tools section. Here you'll see sections dedicated to specific mobile features like the Quick Action Bar, Back to Top button, Welcome Screen, and Browser Theme Color. Each of these tools serves a unique purpose in enhancing user experience on mobile. The Quick Action Bar, for instance, gives visitors easy access to important actions like calling or messaging, while the Back to Top button helps with navigation on longer pages. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your Wix mobile site to ensure it delivers a seamless experience for mobile users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.